Alright, I'm going to make a video this time of, well, first of all, I'm at Lake Michigan again on a beach that is massively huge. Here's the beach. All the way down there. There's a parking lot down there and some trees. There's toy volleyball nets over there. There's more trees, and then there's a lighthouse there. Here's the lake. It's not very windy, but there's the lake. And now I'm gonna go scare some seagulls, which are all the way down there. I don't know if you can see, but they're right there, right down there, and I'm gonna scare them and just run and see what happens. So I'll have it on video. Here I go. I'm probably gonna have to run. I'm gonna have to run, so might do this thing again when I run, the rainbow like that. But here I go. Hey, they haven't run away yet. There they go. Can you see them yet? Oh, there's a big gray one. There's more. Oh, it smells really bad. Oh. All right. They went back over there. There's another flock over there, but I really don't want to run. I'm tired out. But guess that's all. Probably be making another one shortly. But that's all.